Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how people can see your photo when you call them. First, ensure your phone's contact information is completely up to date. Then, select a high-quality profile picture within your device's contact settings. Make sure this photo is clearly linked to your primary phone number. This initial setup is crucial for your image to be recognized by other devices when you initiate a call. It's important to understand that how your photo displays can vary significantly based on the phone carrier and the specific calling application being used. Many modern smartphones rely on a contact photo stored either locally on your device or synced through cloud services. Additionally, popular third-party communication apps, such as WhatsApp or FaceTime, often have their own distinct profile picture settings that operate independently. Crucially, for your photo to appear, the person you are calling must have your contact saved in their phone, ideally with a photo already assigned. Their device's settings might prioritize their own saved contact picture over any image you transmit. If they haven't saved your contact, or if their settings are configured differently, their phone might simply display a default image or just your name and number. To maximize the chances of your photo appearing, always use a clear, well-lit, and easily recognizable image for your contact picture. Encourage your frequent contacts to save your photo directly into their phone's address book. Regularly check and update your profile picture settings across all your communication applications, ensuring consistency. A good quality image and proper setup significantly increase visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.